Alright, so this is the living room. Our lovely couch cover there.
Mommy!
Yes, nice.
Come out here.
What are you doing?
Coffee.
Hmm?
Look, it's an ice cream cone.
It's an ice cream cone. Good job. What flavor is it?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue is not a flavor, darling.
Flavor?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't know flavor. But actually, it doesn't have a flavor.
So this is the garden that kind of I need to work on.
No.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I do need to work on it. This is kind of the backyard. So, pretty nice. Very big, wide open. You what, darling? Anyway, okay. So, as I was saying, here's the living room. Here's the kitchen. Laundry room, bathroom, shower thing. You know, my own laundry, that's the most important thing. And then this is obviously my little bed. And going upstairs here, this is Renee's little room. Kind of a little mess, but still. Yep, this is her room. And notice the little A-frame, but it's not really an A-frame. It's just kind of like a little attic. Anyway, so that is the tour, grand tour of the house. Okay.